everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with my project share, and this is for the 2021 mini spring swap that is hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On. Hi Tree. Anyways, so we have a few ladies here that are amazing crafters, and OMG, I can't wait to see what they created. So excited. I had so much fun creating what I created, and let me go ahead and show you. I used two different paper pads. I combined them in somehow. So this one, I got this last year at Michael's, and this is Spring and Hop Hop by paper pad. And then I finally, oh my goodness, I think I threw the front part of it. So I had this Easter paper that I actually purchased about 3 years ago. Was it 3 years ago or 2 years ago? Anyways, this was, I actually used this for a swap that I did with the Push Paper Lady, and I will try to link that on the description below, the swap that I did with her, and it was just, oh my god. I look at it now and I'm like, oh my gosh, I created that. Anyways, so what did we have to create for this the swap? We had to create 2 mini bows, 2 mini rosettes, a mini pocket letter, a mini tag flip of 3 to 5 tags, and there had to be included on those tags a shaker. So, and then we also had to create a crafter choice item, and that really depended on us what we wanted to create. So let me show you what I ended up creating, and it's supposed to be a mini tag flip, and it has to be 3 to 5 tags. So this is mine. This is what I created. And so here is one of my tags. So let me see. So I might have to finish this off. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do that yet. So anyways, this is one tag. Just I made it really simple. Bunny tails. And then here is, let me see. Sorry you guys. And here is my other tag. So this actually is a purchase that I got, or I made at Amazon, and it is like a chocolate box, I believe, or something like that. So oh my gosh, when I got it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's perfect for tags. Okay, so tag flips. Anyways, so here are my bows inside. If you guys could see them, aren't those so cute? Oh my goodness, those are so adorable. So there you go. This was actually gifted to me by someone. I cannot recall, you guys, who gifted me this. Oh, I did. This was already here. I added the bling right here. I added the flower and this twine right here. And there you go. I created this, and as you guys could see, guess what? These are bunny tags. Oh my goodness. So, oh my gosh, I had to use them here. I definitely had to use them here. So I went ahead and layered a lot of stuff in here. And oh my goodness. So here is a butterfly. This is a, oh my gosh, I fuzzy cut this out of a cardstock that I had. I die cut the eggs right here, as you guys could see, and I put happy, and there's a sticker, a chick sticker, and then I basically popped up a lot of them up. And let's see if you guys could see that. Oh my goodness, I had so much fun using these, and I also got these at Amazon. So Amazon is my favorite place to go since I can't go shopping. And then here are my other ones, and these have flowers in here. And I made this really simple. And then I had a punch that cuts in a grass form. And let me see if I could. It's a Sizzix punch that I got about last year or 2 years ago. So there you go. And some of these stickers I've had in my stash. So there you go. And here's the other bunny. here's my other bunny, and this is so cute. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. So it had the option to leave the inner ear in there or take it off, so I took it off, or I left it there, and I cut a few of these strips, and I just went ahead and dangled it on here, and this is what it looks like. So you guys could see I put butterflies. A lot of this are using basically scraps, and some of the flowers I had in my stash. So there you go. And here are my 2 mini rosettes. I have 2 extra ones. I don't know if I'm going to add them on here or just use them in my packaging. So that's what they look like. And then I also made another box, and I actually just inserted plain rosettes in there, so they, you know, whoever receives it could get it or decorate them herself. Sorry. Oh, actually, this is my start point. This was supposed to be my start point. I think I just threw it all in one package, and so I do apologize. So this is my shaker, because it does have to have a shaker element. And there's my tag, and I made this bow. This is using the ribbon from Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, I loved it. And I got these bunnies from Maria Reyes. Was it Maria? Yeah, I believe it was Maria Reyes. Yes. Oh no, it wasn't. Was it? Oh my goodness, I can't remember stuff right now, you guys. I always forget stuff. OMG. So I apologize whoever gave it to me. If it's not Maria Reyes, I do apologize. And do call me out on it. Do call me out on it. And this one was given to me last year by Buzzing with Bee, so I went ahead and just put it on here so they could take this off and use it, and actually use this tag as if they like. So that's what my tag flip looks like. And hopefully my partner is Carla, and oh my goodness, what was her YouTube name? I will link her down on the description below, as well as all the other people that will be participating in this. Carla actually does amazing, beautiful projects. I was looking at her channel, and OMG. So this is supposed to be the beginning. I don't know why this is that. I gotta readjust it. So I do apologize for my mess. See there? And my pocket litter. Let me show you guys my pocket litter. I already did a video on this. So there you go. And I just left it plain in the back. I don't know if I might add last minute stickers or something, but I thought this was the cutest ever. Anyway, so that's gonna go to her. And crafter choice item, I made this. This is a mini box, and inside it has for you to make dangles. So it has the beads, and it has the little bunnies that everybody hauled at Dollar Tree, and I actually had these from last year, so excited I had them. And I put some other beads in there. So Carla, if you want to make your own charms, anything, there you go. And that is about it. And we had to also add some extra store-bought items, which I will not show. She will probably make a video, so she'll show you that on her reveal. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. I so enjoyed making all this, and stay tuned for the rest of the ladies. I will link them down under the description below, so you guys could go over and check their channels out and see what they created and what they received. And oh my gosh, this was so much fun. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. If you have not been a subscriber of mine, haven't subscribed to my channel, would love to have you on board, you guys. It doesn't hurt to subscribe. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.